Hey, it's Mike Grady from Business Fuel Tools. Today I'm going to be answering a question that I have gotten a lot lately, and that is how to get clicks to our website. Well, what I personally do is I create demonstration videos for anything that I'm trying to promote, whether that's a website or products or affiliate offer. And let me just kind of walk through how I create the demos. This is a format that we have found makes sales. Question number one is, what is the name of the product or service you're demonstrating? 2, what is the product or service itself? What is the number one biggest benefit this product or service offers? What is the biggest pain this product or service eliminates? What is the big payoff for users who buy the product? What's the number one usual alternative people think of when they try to accomplish what this product or service does? What critical points or steps do you want to cover as you explain or show the product or service? What is all the stuff they don't need anymore once they have the product or service you're demonstrating? Put that in 3 or 4 bullet points. What is the price of your product or service? What's an alternative way to express or compare the cost of your product or service? How fast can your customers see results once they buy your product? And why should they grab it now? What is your guarantee or your risk reversal? What is your call to action? And what do you want them to do next? If writing a video script seems complicated, well, you're right. What I did is I used Jim Edwards' software called Funnel Scripts to write my entire video script, and it takes me about 10 minutes to do that. Then it takes me another 10 minutes to shoot the video, upload it to my YouTube channel. So if you're interested in script writing software that can help you out with the script that I just went through bullet by bullet, look in the bottom and there's a link, and it'll actually take you to Funnel Scripts where you can get more information about the software that I use to write all of my demonstration scripts.